Take the pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6.